Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT in granite pearl. With automatic headlamps, power heated mirrors with manual fold-away, 17-inch black painted wheels, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 3-zone automatic temperature control, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, park view rear backup camera, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, Bluetooth streaming audio, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, second row power windows, power sliding rear doors, power third row vented windows, power liftgate, and so much more. For additional details, please visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5407.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.